VALR Perps lets you trade across 200 plus markets, including equities, indices, commodities, precious metals, forex, and crypto, all in one place. Here's how to make your first trade. Perps, short for perpetual futures, let you profit when the price of an asset goes up or even down. Think a price is moving in a certain direction? Trade it. Choose go up if you think it'll rise, or down if you think it'll fall. Next is leverage. This multiplies your position size and your potential profit, but it cuts both ways. Higher leverage also means your losses add up faster on a price move. To protect yourself, every trade has an auto-close price. You set the amount you're willing to risk, and once that's used up, the trade closes automatically. Before you can trade, you will be asked to complete a short knowledge check. These 5 quick questions are there to confirm you understand the risks. Once you're through the quiz, you will see your Perps dashboard, which shows your balance, your trade history, and the markets you can trade. Let's make a trade. Step 1. Select an asset. Say you want to trade HYPE. Search for it and pick from the list. You'll see the live price and today's change right next to each asset from a range of over 200 markets. Step 2. Set your trade size and your leverage. Here it's 10x. VALR automatically works out your auto-close prices on both sides, so you always know your possible upside and downside up front. Step 3. Review and confirm. You get a full breakdown of your entry price, margin, trade size, and exactly what you gain or lose at each level. Nothing goes live until you confirm. And that's it, your first trade is live. Track it in real time, right alongside your portfolio balance and total margin. If you open more positions, you can track all these positions at once. Whenever you're ready to exit, just tap close, confirm, and your position settles instantly, profit or loss, and trading fees included.